the sun shines bright. Animals wake with the morning light. The cow says moo, the sheep says baa, the duck says quack, what a noisy hurrah! Moo, baa, quack, and neigh, farm animals sing all day. Cluck, oink, woof, let's all cheer, the farm is full of sounds to hear. The pig rolls in mud and goes oink, oink. The dog barks loud, woof, woof, in a blink. The horse gallops fast and says neigh, neigh. Let's all sing and dance today. The rooster crows cock-a-doodle-doo, waking up the farm for something new. The cat says meow as it chases a mouse. So much fun on this lively house. Farmers plant and farmers grow. Animals help the crops to show. Let's all thank the farm today.